I'm here today at the Zoho Creator Workshop to learn a bit more about Creator, understand how to build custom applications and be able to deploy them to our team. And I'm hoping to just achieve the skills to be able to do that in-house.
I've signed up to the CRM workshop element of it. A colleague of mine is downstairs at the analytics side, so we're bringing this all together so that we can get what we can out of the Zoho products.
I've been doing the customer experience track, which has been fascinating.
My motivation for coming to the event was to learn more about the analytics side.
I think you've given us a head start. You've introduced us to loads of features.
Give me a lot of hints and prompts to how to make things better in a much more concise way.
It's been super great to get a refresher on apps that we maybe are not making the most of, how we can get more out of those apps and implement them further in our business.
I've learned what we can do with the dashboards, different elements into analytics, how we can use AI to help me build those things, so that's been really handy.
There is a lot of buzz with the AI, and everyone is wondering what's going on with this AI, and we got to exchange thoughts and ideas.
It's great to see the flexibility that is built into Zoho. It's been mind-boggling, to be honest, because there is so much that can be done.
I was a bit worried that I might be a bit out of my depth with the amount of specialists here, but no, everyone's really friendly, really nice.
It's one thing to read from a presentation or someone just to tell you, and it's a completely other thing for you to click in the system and do the settings.
It's not simply somebody talking at you for hours on end. At the end of each segment, we've had a task to take part in, we've had some banter back and forth with the instructors, so it is very much along the lines of see one, do one, teach one.
But I think what's useful is sitting, listening, understanding how it works, really imagining how we could apply it.
The business owners are so varied in so many different industries that we're picking up little ideas of what we can do with the technology industry that we're in.
I exchanged some LinkedIn contacts, so we talked about our use cases for which companies we work. We share some experience.
You always meet new people, get to interact with them and get some different ideas from different users as well. Everyone can throw different questions, and then you can understand what other business is doing.
Powered up workstations and desks. So many Zoho staff here and so much deep knowledge has been really conducive to learning it.
The one big positive I have to say is nobody's trying to sell, nobody's trying to push. It's all about us getting the most out of what we have.
The opportunity to be in the right room with the right person makes solving problems so easy.
This morning we had a one-to-one with one of the Zoho experts, which was phenomenally useful.
You can actually talk to the guys on your issues based on your experience that you had with the tools. This is why I came here, to get to know them and to get first-class expertise.
I've been able to grab the team, ask them lots of questions, pointed me in the right direction, but also have the time to just learn myself and just play around with these things.
It definitely created a lot of ideas and food for thought in what you can do with the platform.
There's food and coffees flowing.
And the food, the drink, it's all fabulous, to be honest.
I didn't expect it to be this level.
Plan of action when I leave here is to automate as much as I possibly can.